How's it going, everyone? My name is Paul McGovern Jr. and today we are talking about the GBM Motorized slider. This thing's a dolly. It's good for time lapse. It's good for getting cool cinematic shots for a variety of different shoots, uses, podcasts. I'm excited about this because I've never had a slider to my arsenal of equipment, and it should give you some versatility to the types of shots that I can use it for, whether I'm moving front towards the subject and back away from it or side to side. And again, it can do like a follow tracking thing where, you know, if you have a center front and then the camera's going back and forth, it's just gonna give you movement. And that's the big thing with shooting anything, is if you got movement to a shot, that's another level of production value to that shoot. There's a 31 inch and there's also a 48 inch. I got the 31 inch because I don't think I needed the 48, but hey, that's up to you. Without further ado, let's dive in and let's see what's inside this beautiful box. Da, 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 da. Wow. That's one thing I love about GBM equipment, is if you have their lights or their sliders, it comes with a great case. All their equipment comes nice, compact, and unique cases. I have a couple videos that we talk about their lights, and again, I always emphasize case, because when you're going from location to location shooting, it always helps to have a case built in. And honestly, with a lot of equipment, buying the case alone is an extra like $100, $200. So the fact that it comes with this slider, it's pretty huge. Wow, got some good foam right there. Can't complain about foam, my man. Directions key. To have directions key. Of course, we got our slider. This slider is lightweight, feels good, feels like sturdy even though it's light. We got the cable right here, probably brings it back and forth. Alright, it's kind of smooth. I mean, it's motorized, so, but, oh yeah, it has a nice little smooth movement. That's just manual, baby. That's just manual. I want to put it on the table though. I don't want to just be holding it like that. Got a battery, got your battery pack, comes with that. It comes with this FE battery. These are pretty common, so if you might already have this in other kits or lights that you have or monitors. I know I have a bunch of these, so that's good. Comes with an adapter. Has your cables. Have a bunch of different cables here. I'm sure all these are useful to what you might need. Looks like just different adapters for different units and stuff. Oh, got your remote. Really key to have your remote. That's probably what the battery's for. The remote looks a little kind of like, I don't know, old school. It feels very like late 90s, right? Doesn't that feel like old? I don't know. But like it reminds me of like really like early iPod, but even the iPods are better than this. So I don't know. We'll see how the remote works. But I actually heard some reviews, like mixed reviews on the remote. It looks like we got a tripod ball head right here. It comes with it. I actually bought this in addition because I didn't think it came with it, but looks like it does. So that's nice. It's always nice to have a ball head on your tripod because it gives you the stability and allows you to kind of manipulate it on the go easier. So we got that. Let's see, is there anything else in here? Is this thing in it? This looks like this foam. I guess you can probably take this foam out. But I kind of like having the foam, right? Let's keep the foam. Foam adds a little stability to it, firmness, protection, always key. We got our slider here, folks. I'm super excited to use it. You'll be seeing this in a lot more videos coming up. But you know, hopefully you guys enjoy when you get yours. Let me know if you have any questions. I plan on having a tutorial video on how to use it and how I set it up and shots that I'm going to use it for. So stay tuned for that. But this has been the unboxing of this beautiful GBM slider. And hopefully you guys enjoy your purchase if you get this slider. And let me know if you have any questions. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment below if you have any thoughts or questions on the slider. And guys, enjoy the next video and hopefully you guys have a wonderful day.